Oh, when me don't use up my hand there, I'm a foot. Well, I think like this, man. Foot the upper top and yo, dog, better than we put them. Welcome guys, Creamball back again on a reaction video. There with the boy
Marco D, you don't know the thing though.
Guys, we got another reckless video to Iggy Azalea. Yeah, the guy, you know what him sir? Iggy Azalea.
Nope.
There's a female rapper. She come from Australia, but she moved to America. And she moved to America go short for 15 or 16 years old. Literally just left our parents, got America with a dream to be a rapper. I know she one of the best female rapper in America. Yeah. So she and Tiger sing a song named Cream. It started K, not a C.
Tiger? She and Tiger?
Niggas up here talking about Tiger. Tiger! Tiger!
Yeah, you know Tiger?
I mean, if you know Tiger, can I ask me that?
Yeah, that?
Tiger had the biggest. Man, get the fuck out of here, nigga!
She named Cream. You see me? Don't know that guy already.
Name safe.
Alright. So like, share, comment and subscribe. You see me? Begin right about now.
First you get the money.
Oh, next thing too. If you want to pause the video and say something, you can just pause it. Just press it, you say, you see me? Like if you want to talk or say something, yeah.
Then you get the power, respect. Post come last.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
Hey, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, hey, get it, get it, get it, get it.
Yo! Stop this dog, I'm not lying. I can't even pull it up back up below.
You can't pull it up to you, dog. Pull up this back, dog. Oh, tell me,
yeah,
you can't control this, dog.
Like up on the pole, she born, dog.
Yo!
Yo, play back that. I got the bag.
Oh, we are control this, dog.
Respect. Post come last.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
Hey, get it, 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 get it.
Yeah, John, again, like you come to Jamaica, come in for that.
Open up the safe, bitches got a lot to say. Pussy in your face, that'll put you in your place. 7 letters on the plate, fuck you when I break. I got cars, I got bags, I got real estate. Foreplay, I ain't come to play. I got big fish money, he gon' bite the bait.
Can you drop it down, make that
Boy, I ain't got no.
Keep that energy gone up the Hennessy.
Dog, you see, yo, when I said the cheek does it.
Yeah, girl, that's how my body so like it play a jump, like it play a bass.
Yeah.
Jump.
Yo,
Yo, the girl,
girl, bad man.
I need my
way too much ass.
Separate 6 degrees. Bitches think they know me.
Oh,
Sex
man.
pistol sip vicious with
That
you when
baby
it's
got
on
girl
me.
and this
Get
and
me
that.
on my
No one
cash
says you can't
app,
make us
check
up with
it
a
in the
queen, you know?
morning. In this bitch shining, dressed in designer. She could get and it's perfect timing. Jim with the tonic, Bella Hadid, homie could get it. Ass.
Dog, you ready? Some of them white girl that evolve. Well, some of them do surgery still in that, but some of them white girl I know what it is.
Evolve.
Evolve. And I remember say, my others, most of that Latina and black girls usually have ass in that. No, you suppose some white girl that has
Well,
dog.
now gonna be biased. What are them? What do them sister or not? Girl on the body, sexy for the body.
Yeah. When I look, listen.
Fucking good.
Listen,
Nah lie.
when I bash the woman when I raise, you see me, anything we want to do, when I feel we don't want to do, you see me, phone the body. So if you want to get to the ass done, get this done, get that done, phone the thing that, you see me. But we love seeing the girl, and even when they look like a stick, we still love the girl, them, no?
I mean, need to look at the witches in the rap video, you know?
Cash, cash, ass, bags, bag.
Your ass, she after the right thing. So dog, get it up my
everything around
get up my yo, what are the dog? You know, so she grip it. She just got so. You see the whole like just go up so. She grip it so and the whole like just go up
Like
dog.
an elevator, and full. Up and down.
Deep in that pussy, yeah, I'm drowning. A shark in the water, how you found me? Best gift from round me. I'm a dog, I go hunting like a bounty. Yeah, make my own rules. Tattoos on her ass, she do nice school. Welcome to the Players Club, Ice Cube. Diamonds might make the news. Bitch, that's Photoshop like rappers with
Ta-da.
Yeah, cute doing that.
Yeah, she look good. She
checks
look good.
is not approved. RM52.
And I think no, she should actually look good with the big ass.
Humbuck like you, look at the girl.
I said that, that's it. She broad in the dog.
Humbuck like girl, you remind me of one Jamaican, you have it.
Let's go waterproof.
Brother,
Niggas talk a
brother,
lot.
you got one of them
Today
girl
outside the
sticking
bar,
up on
niggas
shit.
like Golden State inbound,
Stand
pull
out,
up and
dog.
shoot.
Cash,
You see me?
cash, ass,
Cheddar, what's it? Teeth, what's it?
bags, bag. Ass,
Get it, get it,
Humbuck lad.
get it,
cash,
Get it, get it,
ass,
get it,
bags,
get it, get it, get it,
get it.
Whoa.
get it, get it, get it.
Girl in the sexy.
thing around me.
You got it.
Pussy got him drowning, drowning, drowning. Cash rules everything around me. A shark in the water.
Dog, tell the truth, nigga. If you would have, if she take foul, I said I'd touch it, so.
Yeah, the girl say cash move everything around her. Then if you go there, say, well, we just need the cash.
No, I say if I get a chance, she say root. You get a chance for big skin.
She I go come back. When me done, she I go come back.
Nigga, me say.
Treat
Nigga,
her like a slave.
nigga, me say, when me mind, honestly God, yo, when me don't use up my hand there, I'm
Yes,
a
sir.
foot, what? I think like this, me I do. I foot the upper top, and, yo, dog, that's it, we put them in the house, dog, I tell me I go put it, dog. So me I go. Everyone know me I'm balance.
Treat it like a
Good
nigga.
club, I mean, dog, great dog, okay.
I like the look. Mama, watch it.
That's it.
Girl, let's
Bad
make her
dog.
ass and rotate so. I like the look. You're bad.
Dollar belly, yo.
I like the song. You see,
Yo,
cash
it's
move
bad
everything
dog,
around.
bad
Girl,
dog, is it?
your video bad. Or your song sell
And to share say our story set up, she actually left her own country, dog. I think she buy a one-way ticket or something like so, and she go out my ticket, you know, a girl, young girl, go to America, and just on her own, no parents,
I like
nothing.
that.
I like that. So she just take a chance in her life. I look at it now.
She read somewhere.
You reach so much fear that, so it's like sometimes, and some people bash her and still no, but you have to realize that, man, you know people stay, people go bash her for every little thing. But you have to respect that girl in a way of say, she a young girl, she go out by herself,
But me no
and
cut
she
you.
make it, dog.
Me no cut you.
You see
Bro,
me?
but you have to pray this to create. You see, sometimes in life when people bash you, actually, I
Hey,
feel
you
own
know,
good
yeah,
enough.
for your own
You
good,
see,
yeah.
once you can stand up firm, daddy,
Fit pan that.
eh? While them a bash you, dog, the stronger you get, you know. 'cause
Yeah, you get stronger,
you're
dog.
pretty smart and you move forward with your dream.
Yeah.
You're not busy, you're not look at what them a
And
say.
when you learn this world, dog, no matter where you do, you could have saved 1,000,000 person right now, and people still have bash you.
You can't stop that.
Can't
That's
stop
how
that.
the world works.
Yeah, that's why I say, yo, me, that's why I don't really bother me again, dog. Come here and say, you know what? No matter what you do, people are going to hate you, see me, you see me? Yeah, guys, so the reaction to Iggy, you don't know, I have to respect that girl after this, you see me?
Iggy, bad.
Not true,
bad.
not that true, she look good and everything.
Our song nice.
Yeah, it sound nice and everything, I have to respect her, pay our trials and everything, you see me?
Me nah gonna lie.
But the ass big still, and
See that,
ass.
see that something else she have her ass just a rotate like when I can't reel a spin.
Yo,
I
John.
love how she do it. Girl, you're sexy, you're sell off.
Turn up,
I
man.
like your coordination with the group.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. True. The carnation.
Bad.
Read that. The carnation travel with the group. I like that for you.
Bad.
Because all the girls, they realize when the girl are left on the dead for the ear, she they don't
In the middle.
In the middle like
Alright.
that.
And everybody else has to
And-
rotate.
yeah.
And fly on the step on. Boom, boom,
And something
like the
different.
baseline.
Everybody does the straight up and Fiona does do one something only. So she do her thing,
I
yeah.
like it. That coordination
You
bad.
see me? But anyway, guys, that's the end of the reaction. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Touch the
Click the
golden bell.
notification bell. As we have said, the golden bell, you see me? Don't know. Peace out.